Cindy Lynn here. We have something exciting going on today. We have the final inspection scheduled, and Tony had to go to work, so he's already gone, so it's just me. I'm just doing a quick video with my cell phone. I just grabbed it. I work from home, so I came in here, but I wanted to show you guys, look how clean and pretty it is. We stayed up late last night getting everything cleaned up. We'll just do a full 360 all the way around. I'm not gonna go up in the loft, so we'll show that later, but we just wanted to say we're excited. We're finally getting the final inspection. The only bad part about it is that I have to move out of the RV, so I'm really gonna miss that. It's been quite the year living in the RV. Lots of fun stuff. It's the craziest thing we've ever done for sure. So I'm really gonna miss that, but we are so excited to finally get moved in after all of this time. But anyway, we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. Wait, hold up. We can't go any further until we show you guys what this place looked like before. actually. It's been a long year of doing stuff.
Yep.
Really. No, all of the happiness is coming out.
So we called in for final inspection. So the building inspector for the county came in to do a final inspection on the house. He has got 5 items on here. They are all very small. And actually he said we can go ahead and move in and then just call him when certain things come in. You know, when I get those done, and he'll come in and just take a glance at them, or I'll send him a photograph of it. And he'll give us a passing grade for occupancy. So
basically we already have it since he said we can move in.
Yeah.
But we did want to mention we have one major holdup. As you can see, hold up. We have had our appliances ordered since July, and this is the end of October, and they've delayed it twice, right? Because
yes.
First, they said one of the items wasn't available. We were assuming it was the refrigerator for some reason.
And as of right now, they're delayed until November
10th or 13th.
Yep.
It's the cooktop. They have the rest of the stuff, and we can't get part of it ordered because they said they have to cancel. They have to bring the stuff they have out, cancel what's not available, and then it goes to the bottom of the list. So we're still working on that because we really want to get this stuff.
They were going to upgrade us and say because we waited 3 months, they'll take the cooktop and upgrade it to a better version, but they can't find any. So there's not even other manufacturers that they sell.
We have an induction.
They cannot get the cooktops. So
there's one bottom,
available.
like totally bottom of the line. And ours is induction. This is not induction. We might do that as a last resort if we have to.
Just to fully get in, and then we can order the new. We can order the one. And
they're $400 more now from July, by the way, too, for the induction cooktop that we ordered.
Yeah.
We'll figure it out and we'll let you know. But yeah, everything turned out beautiful, and we are ready to move in. So it's been a long process, but good job, Tony. It's been a long road for us.
Yeah, I was worried about inspection, so.
Yeah, so we got that over. We're mainly worried about that handrail, kind of, because
it's got some
little bit.
The short bars don't, but on the stairs, it's got a little. It's a long run, so that pipe has a little bit of wonka to it, and
not much, a little bit.
No,
and it's kind of a permanent feature. So if there was an issue with that, it would have been a lot of extra work, kind of.
No.
But
and just one of the line items was the same as what our daughter had on her house. Was that her last step on her stairs was different than the steps going up. Ours is kind of, and what she had to do was she had to put a thick rug there to compensate for that distance.
Yeah, there's too much of a distance.
Kind of weird. Ours, it's not as much as so that all the steps are the same, because you come down our steps to a landing and then you turn and you exit. The exit step is too much. I never knew that. So we have to do the same thing. We just have to put a thick rug where you step off, and that'll be it. Which we were planning on. We were talking about doing it anyway.
Yeah, we have to anyway.
Because the floor is so slick, we want to step onto a mat before you turn and come into the house. Yeah. Because the epoxy coating on the floor is very slick.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the notice of inspection. They actually leave this on the counter usually of everything that needs to be corrected. A lot of times you have to correct it before they'll give you the final occupancy. And before it's like officially on paper, we have to go ahead and we have to fix every line item that's on here, which is only 5 things, so it's not very big. But they did tell us we could go ahead and move in. We just have to go ahead and fix those items that's on there.
But in order to move in, we have to move out.
I know.
Of the RV.
That's the saddest part. So we do have to, say goodbye to the beastie. Yep. Not really goodbye.
We had somebody actually tell us when we said we were going to move into the RV while we're moving, they basically said, we'll give you 2 months.
Yeah.
Living in the RV.
It's like 15 months later.
And I have nothing against it. I mean,
well,
it's not a, you know.
There's two items that you need to do. You have to have an extremely comfortable mattress. Upgrade the mattress to the best
Watch
one
the
you
video.
can find. Yeah. And then work on your land a lot. So we're not in the RV a ton, so that helped too. We were always in here working. But yeah, we will have to say goodbye. That's kind of sad because she's been our home and she's helped us, you know, to be more financially free. We lived at the land. We were able to live here and live in the RV. So.
But we have a very nice home for her to park in now.
Yeah, which is
plenty
the
of
reason
room
we
for
started
her.
this.
I don't have to winterize it this year. Just back it in. We're done.
We'll be inside the RV a little longer. It'll probably be another couple weeks total. Yeah, maybe sleeping because we gotta get everything in here and there's fix the stuff that's on the inspection.
And somehow we have to get your dresser up there.
Yeah, it's very heavy. Yeah, we got heavy. We have heavy stuff with marble tops that have to go upstairs. So we got to figure that one out. So stay tuned. We want to thank all of you guys for, you know, tuning in every week to see our building and our adventures and some of our RV upgrades. And I don't know. It has definitely been a whirlwind, and Tony and I are just glad that we can take a little breath right now and relax because it's been a long road. We've spent a lot of nights and a lot of weekends really hitting it hard. Off and on, in between contractors doing stuff. So yeah, but we appreciate all of you guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We would love that. Hit the like button, leave us a comment, and we thank you for coming along with us at Bridgeview Adventures. So get out there and have your own fun, and then when you come back in, sit on the couch. Watch a few of our older videos of Polebarn living. So we'll see you guys out there.
See ya.
Thanks so much.